How to enable or disable developer options in Android. So if you want to enable or disable developer options on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. So in my case, I've already enabled the developer options. So I'll just simply first show how you can disable it, and then I'll go with enable. So you need to scroll down on your settings and go with system. Under system, you will have your developer options. Tap on developer options, and if you want to disable it, you can go and toggle it off. Once you toggle off, now you need to go back and again go back and just remove your settings and again launch your settings. Now after launching, as you scroll down, tap on system and you won't have the developer options now. So if you want to enable the developer options, then it's not right here. You can go back and tap on about phone. Under about phone, you need to scroll down and go with software information. Under your software information, you need to go with the build number. So here you will have your build number. So you need to tap on your build number for at least 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after tapping, then here it says you're already a developer. So in order to turn on your developer mode, you need to enter your mobile device PIN, enter your PIN, and that's it. You are now a developer, which means your developer options has been turned on. So you can go back to check your developer options, go with system, and now if you tap on system, you will have your developer options back. So that's how you can enable or disable developer options in your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.